So guys, today I'm in Mula. These are the gates to this property. That land in front of you and surrounding this property is a part of the property. It has got 2.7 hectares of land. It is a working farm, fruit farm. It's got olives, it's got oranges and lemons. Really beautiful. So let me take you inside and we'll have a look around. So I've just walked into this stunning farmhouse, and as you can see, there's a blazing fire down there with the kettle on the range. Really beautiful. It is very, very cozy in here. So this is one angle of the room that I am showing you. I'm going to pan around. You've got your staircase there, and then you have got more rooms off of that, and you've got your office area here with another double doors just up here. So I've come up at this end of the room just to give you a feel for the room and show you how long it is. This is a beautiful old farmhouse. It's a few hundred years old. It's been all totally reformed. And this ceiling here, as the heat comes out, the heat goes around curves and then just comes back down. Really beautiful. So I'm going to the other end of the room to take it this way. So as you can see, you've got a little miniature library down there, and you have aircon. There is lights illuminating the room all over, really beautiful. And if you look at the front of the house, you have two sets of double doors with those quaint windows that have the wooden shutters on, and beautiful windows that look out onto the garden. Just giving you a quick look at that log burner. How fabulous is that? Now guys, I'm going to take you through here into the kitchen. Now this kitchen is absolutely fabulous. Look at that. Beautiful. Plenty of base units, and you have a lot of them. The white goods are staying. The dishwasher and the cooker and hob are barely a few months old. And the unit worktops were just done 18 months ago. So this house is absolutely pristine, as you can see. And I'm just going to pan around for you, give you a good feel of this room. Just show you the flooring. Typical farmhouse floor, really, really very nice. I'll come up again. If you see the camera flashing, it's just my colleague. So I'm going to go through that door just there. Now, through here, you have like a utility room, and you got your sluice sink over there, your boiler, and your gas. This would make a lovely extra bedroom. This property is a 4-bedroomed, 3-bathroomed at the moment, but this would make an extra bedroom or a study, or whatever you wanted. Oh, and of course you've got double wardrobes over there. It's all lit beautifully, and some lovely windows in here as well with the shutters on. Very typical Spanish. So we have another door. Now, all you gentlemen who like a man cave will love this. So just in here, you have an exit over there. But this is a huge man cave. Now, as you can see, I'm coming through the kitchen, back in through this lovely cozy lounge. It's really beautiful. And there is more bedrooms than I'm going to show you, but we're going up this staircase. This is the staircase we've come up. And I'm just going to pan around here, and we go this way. It is double-sided, this property. Now just here, You have an office area, or an area where you can do your books or whatever you need to do. So just here you have an electric towel heater. You have a beautiful sink and vanity unit there, really beautiful, and a mirror to match. So as you can see, I'm out in the snug area again. And I'm just going to pan around and go into this bedroom. I'm going into the bedroom, and this is a beautiful, very, very large bedroom. It's a double bedroom with double beds. Really beautiful. This is quite a large farmhouse, as I've said. And some parts of the farmhouse is about 100 years old. You have your aircon up there. I'm just going to go over here. You can see beautiful areas outside. You can almost see Mula Castle through one of the windows. If I come around, you can see how vast this bedroom is. And of course, you've got integrated wardrobe just over there in the wall. Now I'm just going out here, and we go across this little nook up here. Again, you have aircon, beautiful lights illuminating the area. Lovely cozy place to sit and just read a book. And just in here, you have another bedroom. Now this bedroom is quite sunny. The sun just illuminates it beautifully. This is a very cozy room as well. You've got your aircon, but you've got the flue from that fire downstairs, that log burner fire, and it's given so much warmth to this room. It's really very cozy. I've just come to go out and really give you an idea to the other bedrooms of the room. Now there is another bedroom to the end there, but we have got another beautiful shower room in here. As you can see, it's a smaller shower, single, where the other one was a double shower. You have got your bidet and your WC. You've got that beautiful farmhouse flooring. Again, your window on that. So I'm going to pan around for you guys. As you can see, it's ceiling to floor tiles. And you've got your sink and pedestal there with your electric towel heater. Okay, so let me take you into the next bedroom. So another double bedroom, and I'm saying a double bedroom because it's got two beds in. They're not single, they're both good size double beds. You've got beautiful views of the mountain and the countryside, and you have aircon in here as well. And you have another small window there. Just going to pan around for you guys, just so you can get good feel for this room. Really beautiful, this farmhouse. Now guys, I'm going to take you through this door. Typical farmhouse Spanish door. You've got layers where you can open it all up. And I'm going to go out here and have a look. The terrace here. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful, those beautiful skies. This has to be one of the best places in the house. I think if this was my house, this would be one of my favourites. You have got beautiful olive trees, and they are the dark olives on the trees there. I'll just show you. So you got your olives grown there on the tree. So you have fresh olives. Absolutely beautiful. This is the front of the house. And to the side. And as I've said before, just beyond the bamboo, that's where the land finishes for this property. So I'm going to take you back inside. Where you? So I'm going to go back through into the property now. So you got some beautiful bedrooms, as you've seen. Beautiful shower rooms, bathrooms. This farmhouse is such a delight. So I'm back down the stairs, guys, now, and I'm going to show you in and around. There is another area that you could use as an office if you wanted to be downstairs. Now, just down here, that door leads to the back, and you have another shower room there. You've also got a bedroom here. So this bedroom is lovely. It's single, it makes a nice guest room. So if you think about it, really, this farmhouse could be a 6-bedroomed property if you want it, you know, because you got that other room. This is turned into a single bedroom, and you have that other room that they use for storage, which is another bedroom. I'm just going to shut that door there for a minute. So as you can see, you have internal wardrobes there and your door. You've got lovely fixtures and fittings on the door. They're very, very Spanish and very quaint, as you can see. Really like the way the fittings are. Really beautiful. So I'm just going into another shower room here. I'll just show you everything they've got. You've got your overhead heater. You've got your WC, your bidet, and your sink and pedestal. Lovely trim around. You'll have your shower there as well. Really very quaint. And a nice shower room opposite that bedroom. Okay, and this doorway, I believe, brings you out onto the pool area. So this pool is 6 by 12. Pergola there with your outside dining. So I'm just going to take you back upstairs now. So if you are interested in this property, do contact info@lettoseltobuy.com, and don't forget to share this property on your social media. Somebody who fancies doing a bit of agriculture, having a farm in Spain, will really love this property. And it's a fantastic villa as well. So don't forget to share on your social media. And I'll see you in the next video. Go back around here now. It's a lovely little area just to sit and have a cup of tea in the morning and your breakfast if you want it. Nice little quiet area.